Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an amazing day. This video has been on my mind for so long and I finally got around to filming it. The past few months I've really been enjoying wearing my hair just all natural. I really want to grow my hair out and just kind of let it breathe from all the heating that I've been putting in it. So it's like super dry and damaged from all the heat and I just want to give it a break. And I've really been loving rocking my hair, just natural curls, waves that I have. As you guys can see, this is kind of like my natural somewhat air dried hair. I did just wash it and let it air dry for about 15-20 minutes, and this is basically what my hair looks and if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do, because that's where I like to post all my pictures. And so yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to rock big natural curls. So the first step is obviously your hair naturally has to have some wave or curl in it. If your hair dries super straight, this might not be something for you. You might have to curl your hair, but this is for all my gals who do have somewhat of a natural wave. You can really kind of use the right products to enhance your curls and make them more bouncy and fuller. First thing I like to do is just add some volume to the kind of like the scalp, because my hair obviously doesn't have the super curly curls. I do like to have a little bit of kind of lift at my scalp. So for that, I like to use this volume booster. This kind of helps add that oomph to your hair. So I like to I haven't used this in a hot minute, so it's not spraying. Okay, so I like to just go in and spray anywhere where I need that extra lift, which is usually in the front here and also at the crown. I like to just really go in and spray wherever you need it. So there you have it. That's the first step. This is just gonna add some volume and lift. The next thing you want to do is just to scrunch up your natural curls. So for that, I like to use this Big Bouncy Curls curl cream. This one's actually from Winners, but you can also the other thing I like to use is the Dove mousse. Like, it's a curl mousse, but I've really been enjoying it using this curl cream. I am gonna link it below for you guys. Hopefully I can find it, because I just picked it up from Winners for $10 and it works really great. This much on my hands. I like to work in like sections. So the key to this is, if you do have natural waves, you want to lift your hair up as you apply the product, so that way your hair kind of builds that curl. So you guys see how I'm like scrunching it upwards? So that's pretty much the motion you want to use. And you can even like turn your head upside down to do this. It's easier. That's what I like to do when I'm obviously not filming. So that's pretty much with the product applied in my hair. As you guys can see, it's already kind of building up the curls. Next thing I like to use is this wave spray. This kind of helps just give it that beachy effect. So I like to just go in and just lift my, like, I like to kind of apply it and then scrunch it up so that again my curls can really mold. And that's pretty much it. The last thing I like to use is this leave-in conditioner. This just kind of adds that a little bit of like shininess to the hair, so your hair doesn't look dry and brittle, which can happen especially if you're rocking your natural curls. And then also, again, this product just smells so good, so I like adding that as a last step. That pretty much is it. What I do sometimes like to do, depending on if I need to leave the house right away, I will go in with the blow dryer and just kind of lock in the curls and add some volume. But to be honest, as much as I can, I try to not use heating products on it. So I am gonna just let my hair be. And the other key thing is you have to let it sit for a bit. Usually like these curls for me personally look the best the next day once they've kind of had time to form and just like take shape, because my hair is still wet, so once it dries it is gonna get fluffier and bigger. Hey guys, so I am back. This is the next day because I really wanted to show you guys how the curls kind of change overnight when the product has really kind of settled into your hair and your curls have taken shape. Now the next step is optional. Obviously it depends on if you want to use heat or not. Like I said, most days I don't want to use heat, which is why I leave my hair natural. But let's say I have an event to go to, or just I want to like make my curls extra curly, then I will go in with this curler from Conair. I don't know what size it is. I'm not even gonna try to guess, but it's like one of their smallest sizes. Pretty much it's gonna mimic my natural curl. So I like to go in with this. This did have a clamp on it, but through travel and stuff it ended up breaking, but that's fine because it actually works better for me. So what I like to do is like any kind of pieces that are like falling, like this one here, I will go in with the curler and just kind of curl it. And I like to only hold for like a few seconds because like I said, I want the curls to all look uniform. You see how that just made it kind of blend in more, or it'll like blend in once obviously I fix some of these other pieces. And I do also like to alternate, so some of the pieces I will curl towards my face, and then some of them I will curl away, because obviously your hair, your natural hair is the same way. They're not all going in the same direction. So yeah, sometimes I like to do this step, sometimes not. And also the bottom of my curls too, like towards here, because my hair is really fried here, my curls won't be as apparent, so sometimes I will go in and just kind of spruce up these bottom pieces here like that. I could fix these up a little bit more, but to be honest, I'm trying to avoid using heat. So this is pretty much it. That's it. That's literally all you need. But yeah, and I will sometimes also like curl these pieces in the front as well to make them extra curly, but I think for now I'm gonna leave them like this. Spray your hair as well, but I don't like to use hairspray because I want my hair to kind of be bouncy and flowy naturally. But yeah, so this is how I like to wear my natural curls. It's honestly all about using the right products. Obviously your hair has to have that natural wave to it, but after that it's all about what type of products you use to bring out your curls in the best shape and form. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see. I know I've been super MIA on YouTube because sometimes life gets the best of us, and there's some other projects I'm currently working on that are keeping me super busy, but I do want to film more. So please drop your ideas below in the comments. I would love to film them for you. And if you did enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.